This is a song about the greatest heartbreak I've ever known. The song is called Nightingale Lane. On the street, in the South London suburbs, where my first love kissed me goodbye. His lips were thin